launch a campaign, done within 20 minutes. You don't have to think about, okay, how to do it, what kind of tool, what is the sequence. Just like in the flow, it helps to just save money, and you get more time for other things. It's kind of advisory consulting firm, very focused in deep tech, high performance materials. Started exactly 1 year ago, actually. So did a lot of fundamental work this year, but it's going well, being active worldwide, actually, but based here in Switzerland. Basically, you start a company. I mean, you have your contact, your networks. You start getting contracts. You work on them, and or you have the pipeline in your head, kind of. And at one point, especially if you worked in corporate and other startups before, you think, well, that would be nice to have actually a system which is kind of supplementing or even increasing your capacity in just putting the right resource at the right time. So basically, you think in pipeline already in your head, but at one point, you are limited on other things if you overthink. You have them somewhere in your LinkedIn network. You download the profiles, you put them on LEM lists, you get the emails, you launch a campaign, done within 20 minutes. You don't have to think about, okay, how to do it, what kind of tool, what is the sequence. Just like in the flow, it helps to just save money, and you get more time for other things, and you get more efficient in reaching the results. I think that's more or less being comfortable with tools. There's good traction, and as I say, I probably run one campaign, but they might be very small, but every 3 to 4 days on different channels. And that's just a great way to understand also, is there a product market fit for some customers? Is there investor interest, and so on? So we can refine quickly. We get lots of feedback early stage. And I think all in all, the answer rate is good. For now, answer rate on LinkedIn is way better on my side than on emails. The structure, the materials you are delivering, the learning platform, the possibility to reach out to different experts for different tools. That's basically where you can just catalyze, if I might use this word, the learning phase, and eventually just get quicker to the results. And if you have a pain point, then you can reach out to a human being, and this person will reply very quickly, implement what is necessary, and then you can move to the next step. The build together is, I think, super important in terms of giving a framework, giving a time limit also, because we are all better when we have deadlines. That's why we set deadlines for the companies also. And in this way, really good collaboration. Of course, even if you are on your own and you have seen very complex systems put in place in corporates or bigger startups, you know the benefits, but it's difficult to grasp also, okay, what makes sense, and also in terms of resources, time, and financial. Certainly, you cannot have the same kind of machine that you have in a big corporate, but you don't need it. And it's good to have a lean solution, of course, with some compromises, but also to have somebody to quickly explain, implement. Always amazed also on the hidden team of Peakora. You guys testing so many tools, and discovering. I think clay is. I'm speaking with a clay expert, so probably you are biased, but no, clay is really exceptionally interesting when trying to gather data, enrich data, and makes life way easier. And you sometimes discover things about your own industry you didn't know before. So very interesting to